Welcome back to a new video. So you guys, I got a little bit of shrimp and some corn that I'm about to eat right quick. Excuse you. I got some B-Love sauce right here to go with it. And of course, this video is gonna involve some smacking and some burping. So beware. Do not watch if you don't like smacking and burping. Okay.
So the whole time I've been eating potatoes, you ain't had me until I got this last one. Why you not?
Now let me try this corn again. I got sauce drips down my mouth. I got some colossal shrimp. What? You want to? Oh.
The potatoes still out.
Nope. But got some potatoes. This how they be.
Why? What's wrong with them?
It was mushy. I'm gonna save my burps to the end.
What happened? Do you want potatoes? Get one from your mama. She about to eat that piece
What?
that you didn't eat.
Woo! This stuff spicy.
It's all right.
Last corn. Y'all see that?
Please, I'll put this in the trash for me. Put that thick. Don't need this. Here. Here.
Now my baby wants some corn.
It's good.
It's spicy. Now the last thing is my burp. What? Comment down below if y'all want me to do more seafood balls with burps and smacking. And don't forget to subscribe. And hit the post notification bell. What you having? I got one more burp left in me.
Yeah. What are you saying?
All right, guys. See you later.